Today we're going to take a look at how you can do a full screen preview in Premiere Pro, and there's a couple of ways we can do this, and one of the main things I'm going to want to do first is make sure we're clicked on the preview panel, so you have your blue highlight line around the outside and you can press what's known as the tilde key, and that is the little key beside with squiggle, put a little one on the screen. It's typically above the tab key, and if you press it you can see that we have this type of preview, and we can see play, pause, etc. And then to exit that we just press tilde again. But if you want a true full screen experience, all you do is press Control and the tilde key on your keyboard, and as you can see, there we are. And to set the play off on this video, we just press our spacebar to do that. And then to get out of that again, it's just Control and tilde to we're back to our timeline screen where we left off. So that's how you do a full screen preview in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching guys, please like, comment, subscribe, I'll see you next time.